Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are preparing one more healthy dish, that is Bassaru and Palya. This is one of the common, healthy and tasty dish of Karnataka. One who stays in Bangalore, they knew it very well. We can prepare this dish with any green leafy vegetables or any lentils, or we can do combination also. Bassaru, the literal meaning is Basida Saru. Basida is a Kannada word. Meaning here is process of separating stalks out of cooked vegetables. And Saru means rasam or curry. And that we specially prepare it with this stock. And Palya means subji. So without further delay, we will start our process. Here I am preparing Bassaru and Palya with the combination of greeny leafy vegetables and lentils and sprouts. I have used all three. So come, let us see what are the ingredients we are going to use it here. You can pause the screen and note down all the ingredients. Take one vessel and put 1 tablespoon of oil and then add garlic, splitted green chilies, chopped onion, saute well for a minute and then add chopped tomatoes. Mix well. Now I am adding green peas, sprouted moong, mix well and add soaked tur dal, now add cleaned and chopped green amaranathan leaves. We also call it as dantin soppu in Kannada. We already added all the ingredients. Now we have to add 3 to 4 cups of water and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes before adding salt to it. You can add more water if you want more quantity of rasam. Now close the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid and add salt as per taste. And then again let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes in a medium heat. Now it's done. We'll open the lid and check. You can see it's very well cooked. And now we will separate a stock. Here I have taken a separate vessel for that. Place one strainer on that vessel and slowly pour all the mixture into it. In a bowl, take out 2 tablespoons of vegetable and sprout mixture and keep it separate. Now we will start preparing our Bassaru. Let's prepare our spice mix. For that, take a pan and add jeera, pepper, cinnamon, clove all together and toast them over a medium heat until they become aromatic. Once done, let it cool to a room temperature. Now in the same pan, add a spoon of oil, onion, green chili and garlic and fry it. Once done, grind all together. First we will make a powder out of jeera, pepper, cinnamon and clove. Then add onion, green chili, garlic mixture to it. Add small amount of coconut and water to it and make a smooth paste. Now paste is ready. Take a same vessel and heat the oil. Add onion and curry leaves and saute well. Now I am adding chopped tomatoes to enhance and balance the taste of the bassaru. If you don't like tomatoes, you can avoid it. Instead, you can add tamarind water. Here I have added enough amount of tomatoes, so I am not adding any tamarind water to it. If you are getting confused with any of the quantity of the ingredients, go back to the beginning of the video and check for the ingredients list. Now I am adding vegetable stock. Let it cook for 5 minutes and then we can add our paste. Once you added a paste, mix all together and check for a salt. Add if needed. Here it's perfect, so I'm not adding. Now it's time to make a paste of this mixture what we kept aside, and then added this paste to bassaru. It will enhance the flavor of bassaru. Now it's almost done. Let it cook for 5 more minutes. And here is our bassaru is ready. Next step, we have to prepare our palya ready, that is subji. For that, take one more vessel. Add oil, mustard seed, curry leaves, minced garlic cloves, red chilies. Saute well and add one chopped onion to it. Once it turned to golden brown, add all the vegetable mixture to it. Mix well and check for a salt. If needed, add it. Adding salt as per taste. And I'm finally adding a grated coconut to it. If you mix all together, our palya is ready to have. Serve this bassaru and palya hot with steamed rice and ragi mudde to enjoy the meal. It's very healthy, tasty, and it's a wholesome meal that's perfect for any day. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!